In this video, we will review the steps for manually adding a camera to an ExacqVision system. In a subsequent video, we will review additional methods for adding multiple cameras at a time. Using the client software, expand the system from the configuration tree on the left-hand side. Nested beneath Configure System, click on the Add IP Cameras node to be taken to the Add IP Cameras page. This page is divided into two halves. The top half provides a list of cameras or IP devices added to the system. Information about each device's connection is found to the right. Selecting each camera in the list will display its connection details in this information area on the right. The bottom half of the page features search and configuration windows further discussed in another video. To immediately add a device with a known IP address, click the New button located under the IP camera list. This adds an empty row to the IP camera list and activates the fields in the IP camera information area. Begin by entering the IP address of the camera. Then select the camera plugin from the device type drop-down field. This selection should correspond to the plugin field found in the test records of the Exacq IP camera database. If the plugin for your camera is not listed and the camera is OnVIF compliant, select the OnVIF plugin. If using the RTSP plugin, please note that RTSP compliant cameras can stream video, but not motion detection or camera configuration data. Many cameras allow connections via HTTP or HTTPS. In the protocol field, the default option is HTTPS if available. In this case, the port field will remain empty, and the server will attempt to connect to the camera using HTTPS. If an HTTPS connection should fail, the system will gracefully fall back to an HTTP connection. You may also choose to configure individual cameras to only connect with HTTP or HTTPS. Finally, enter the login credentials to the camera in the username and password fields before pressing Apply. If everything was entered correctly, the camera details will appear in the camera list to the left and will connect. When adding a camera or re-enabling a camera, the status may change several times while the connection is negotiated before changing to connected. Once connected, cameras using HTTPS will be indicated by an additional protocol column in the list and filled with a status icon. A green icon signifies that the system connected to the camera, as well as the video stream with HTTPS. A yellow icon indicates an HTTPS connection to the camera and standard connection to the video stream. No icon indicates an HTTP connection to the camera and standard connection to the video stream. Should you need to access the camera's web browser interface directly, you may right-click on a camera in the list and select Open in Browser. The checkbox in the Enabled column allows a user to disconnect from a camera without removing it from the system. To remove a camera from the system, highlight the camera in the camera list and select the Delete button. Note that this will disassociate any previously recorded video data from that camera. If you should experience problems connecting to a camera, highlight the device in the list and check the Show Details box for additional information about that connection attempt. Highlighting a camera and pressing the View Log button will open the last 10 minutes of the system log and filter for log entries for that device. Logs will be discussed in further detail in another video. For more information on using the Find IP cameras, Address IP cameras, and Camera Import tabs below, please refer to our other videos.